All right, everybody, welcome to the Automated Outbound Workshop, the 20th of Jan 2026. Got some really exciting topics today. The issues of running cold email through a CRM and also spin tax and what it is and the importance of it. So, Harry, I'll let you kick us off with the issues of running cold email through a CRM.
Cool. Yeah, so for those who don't know, Harris and I spent a number of years at Bullhorn, which is one of the leading CRM providers in the recruitment space. So it's actually one of the reasons we founded Vera in the first place, from having numerous conversations with recruiters, having problems with emails going to spam, domains getting blocked, bounce backs, all these different things. So we spent a fair bit of time looking into it just to understand what the problem was. Prior to this as well, I also spent over a year in support at Bullhorn, helping people fix things like their DNS records, SPF records, all these kind of things. And essentially, what we found was since sort of 2020 onwards, Microsoft, Google, Yahoo, all these different email providers have had a pretty significant crackdown on sort of sending limits and marketing emails. I think Google also have now created a tab called promotions in your inbox, which if your email comes across as particularly salesy, you'll get filtered straight into there, especially with the introduction of AI filters and that kind of thing. So from looking into it, we understood now that the game has changed quite significantly. So if you do want to run cold outreach, previously you could send out a mass mail through your CRM, through your work email to 500, 1,000, a couple of thousand people at one time. You'd have no problems at all with deliverability. People would see it. You typically get jobs on or clients coming back looking for a call. As of sort of 2026, if you actually want to use cold email to win business and win clients consistently, you have to be a little bit smarter with the setup. So, for example, having a sending tool which allows you to sort of stagger email sends, domain rotation, have a warm up period for your emails, and also a multitude of mailboxes and domains to spread that volume across multiple email addresses rather than just sending out through one. So that's a big thing that we've been seeing, people still doing in 2026, using their CRM for mail shots, not having much luck with it. I had a conversation with a gentleman the other week over email, who basically told me that email is dead and we shouldn't be bothering, which is, always good fun. But yeah, from all the clients we've worked with now, which is I think close to sort of 15, 16 recruitment businesses. All of them are now paid off their system within 30 days, all getting good results. And the key thing, really, as I said, it always comes back to have the right infrastructure in place first, and then focus on things like copy, leads, that kind of stuff. But if you're still trying to mass send out through one email address in 2026, chances are you'll get your domain blocked and you won't have much luck, and it'll be more frustrating than anything.
Yeah, spot on. So I think just to echo that, a lot of people still send just like select all onto their CRM and do a massive mail shot and then wonder why they're not getting any replies. They are not only destroying their own domain and send a reputation, but also definitely landing in the spam folder. So yeah, thanks, Harry. Also particularly useful and insightful about the promotions section that Gmail and Outlook have introduced. Cool. All right, we'll move on to spin tax. And for this, I'm actually going to share a separate tab. Hopefully you can see the Skool community. Within the community here, I made a post the other day just here about important how to use spin tax. If you're looking to search for this post, just come into the search bar and search for spin tax. Here it is. And so when you click into it, I've got a useful video here which runs through everything that you need to know, essentially. And I made this off the back of loads of different questions. And also, there are copy and pastable spin tax examples for you right here in the comments and another link to more information. So there's not much point in me explaining everything that's in this video here today, but all you need to do is just click into this video into our community, which will show you everything. We've also got it uploaded onto our YouTube channel as well for anybody looking for some extra help. Yeah, that pretty much sums it up for today, unless there was anything else that we wanted to go through.
No, I think that's pretty much it. To be honest, I think the key thing really is that deliverability is still, even the conversations we're having now, the most overlooked thing. And yeah, we're not looking to sort of sell people systems or tech or anything like that. But yeah, essentially, more often than not, it's just about getting the right infrastructure in place.
Brilliant. All right, cool.
Hello.
Oh, g'day, Ryan. How's it
What's
going?
up?